Hey, look, there's the Callbox, Randy. Why don't we get something to eat?
Hey, that sounds good.
Hi, how can I help you?
We'd like 2 porterhouse steaks, medium rare, potatoes au gratin and cream sauce, topped with melted sharp cheddar, Caesar salad with Romano cheese, garlic croutons and topped with shaved Parmesan cheese, sprinkled with fresh ground pepper, caramelized banana cream pie, creamy white chocolate banana custard and a flaky crust, maybe topped with caramelized bananas. I think that should do it.
Okay, buddy, tear up. Let's get moving.
Stand back. 4.
I'll just have a Snickers and a Coke.
Great, is that all for you?